Okay, so here are the 9 cards. We got the numbers 1 through 6, we got the 2 parentheses, and then we got this bonus card that we're going to talk about later. What's cool about this is you don't just have the numbers 1 through 6. Look at these signs up front. You have +1 minus something. Okay, you have +2 minus something. You can also flip it over, reverse that, -1 plus something. So you really have 12 numbers that you can deal with here. You got a +1, you got a -1, +2, -2. Okay, so here's what you do. These parentheses stay here. We don't worry about the bonus card this round. Each game is 2 rounds. I'm going to show you the ideal cooperative, and then I'll talk to you about how we can make it competitive. So in a 2-player game, what happens is that one player gets, each player gets 3 cards. Oops, I did not shuffle that well. Try again. Each player gets 3 cards, and then they only use 2 of them. So they have choice about which ones they want to do. So we got the cards. Roll the die. 5 is our goal number. So if you're playing cooperatively, like you have +3 minus, +4 minus, +5 minus, or you can flip one of them over. You got your choice of how you want to play it. So if my goal is to get this +5, let's say this guy goes first. Say, okay, I'm going to put down, I don't know, a +1. Oops. I'm going to put down a +1. Okay, so now, oh man, I need to get to 5. Oh, there we go. Now, what's cool is that you can either put it next to each other. So you have 1 minus a +4. Okay. You could say, oh, I'm going to put this over like this. 1 plus 4. Okay. Or you can always lay it backwards, however you want to do it. Same kind of thing. Or you could slip this underneath and get 1 minus 4. Completely up to you. This time I'm going to do 1 plus 4. Awesome. And 5. We're done, right? No, because everyone still has one more card to play. Ugh. Well, I'm going to do, there we go. I'm going to -3. So 1 plus 4 is 5, minus 3 is 2. And then we have, man, so I can't get to 5, but I can get close to it. Here we go. So I have 1 plus, we have 1 plus 4 is 5, minus 3 is 2, plus 2 is 4. Oh, that's really good. That's 1 away. So my score for this round is going to be 1. Now it's the Pixie's turn. What the Pixie does is they then can flip over one card if they want, but they have to lay down this pair of parentheses somewhere. And what's cool is that this can change all the numbers. The Pixie's goal isn't to get to 5. The Pixie's goal is to get to -5, because that's the opposite. All right? So let's see here. How can I do that? And no matter what you pick, it changes essentially the answer. So I could do, what if I put the parenthesis here? So it's 1 minus +4 minus 3 plus 2. So then if I do that, I have 4 minus 3, which is 1, plus 2, which is 3. If I do this, let's just do this. So 4 minus 3 is 1, plus 2 is 3. So we do 1 minus 3, and that gives me -2. Oh man, that Pixie is too far away. Whoever's closest to their goal number gets to escape that labyrinth. Okay, so the people win this round, the Pixies soar out of luck. Now the next round, what you're going to do, same thing, Pixie goes back. Okay, dice is rolled for a new number. This is a 1 because I have a pirate dice, why not? And now, instead of the normal 6 cards for this round, we deal out the bonus card, and that's how things change. Everyone still gets 3 cards. Okay, we're not going to play the bonus round. I'm just going to show these to you. Same rules, but now we can either use a 0 or a 7 if we want a big jump. and you see a plus and a minus and a minus and a plus, well, you can say I want +7 plus something, or -7 plus something, or -7 minus. So you can choose the signs. This truly is a bonus card. Okay, so at the end of it, you add up your score. Whoever has the lowest score after 2 rounds, either the pixie or the person, gets to leave the labyrinth. If they're both the same, they're both stuck here. But if their score is both 0, then they both get to escape. Your goal is to get on that goal number each time. Okay, so that's how to do cooperative. What if you want to do like, what if you have more people? So if you have, like, one person, well, shoot. If you're just playing you, don't worry, more people will come to your party. But you get to be the pixie, and you get to have 5 cards dealt to you, and you pick any 4 to be playing at a time to get to your goal number. Okay? Well, let's say you have 3 people playing. Well, if you have 3 people playing, you can do 3 for one person, another person, and the third person's the pixie that's trying to escape. Or if you wanted to, you could all be the pixie, and it could be 1 player, 2 player, 3 player, but you got to use all 6 cards this time. Okay? If you have 4 player, 1 player, 2 player, 3 player, 4 player. Okay? Same kind of thing. Now, the rules change a little bit for competitive play. I'm just going to show that to you. So you roll the dice. The goal is to get a 6. Still have that pixie. We still have 3 and 3. But this time, in the labyrinth, you started to hate your buddy, and so only you want to escape. You want your buddy to get stuck in the labyrinth forever. So your goal is 6. I'm going to rearrange these cards to get to my goal of 6. Okay. My opponent is going to rearrange their cards. I'm just doing this randomly to get to a goal of 6. Okay. And then what I do is I say, okay, let's say I chose this. So that's -3 plus 4 is 1, plus 2 is 3. So I'm 3 away. My score is 3. Okay? Same thing here. 6 minus the -5, oh man, that's 11, plus 1, that's 12. That's 6 away. Okay? So we write down our scores. Then we each get to play the pixie to try to get to -6. We write down those scores. And then whoever has the highest score, that means they're losing so far, they get a bonus card shuffled in to kind of even the playing field. Okay? And whoever is the closest after 2 rounds gets to win, gets to leave the labyrinth. Same thing. Okay?